Hello friends, welcome to my channel ICT by Ruchi. Today we will do some question on latest development in IT field. These questions are from MTG books of Olympiad preparation for computers for class 1. So let's start. First, identify the given device. You can carry it wherever you go as they are small in size and they can fit in your pocket. It has a touch screen as its display screen. So you have to tell which is that device. A. Laptop. B. Desktop computer. C. Smartphone or D. None of these. Answer is A. Answer is C. As we know, smartphone, it combines the feature of personal computer and mobile device. It can fit in our pocket. It has a touch screen. Okay. Next, you can use the smartphone with the help of dash technology. It allows you to interact with the smartphone with your fingers. A. Touch screen. B. Big screen. C. Dual screen or D. Smart screen. It's very easy. It's a very general term we use in daily life. Answer is A. Touch screen. So with the help of touch screen, we can interact with the smartphone with our fingers. Next, which of the following device come with the touch screen technology? A is a smartphone, B is a tablet, C is a smartwatch and D all of these. Answer is D. All of these. As we know that smartphone, tablet and smartwatch all have a touchscreen facility. Next, which of the following games can be played on a smartphone? A. Candy Crush, B. Angry Birds, C. Clash of Clans or D. All of these. I hope you all have, you must have seen something or you have yourself downloaded it from Play Store or App Store and played it on your smartphone. So answer is D, all of these. All three games can be played on smartphone. Next, identify the given game that can be played on a smartphone or a tablet. A. Explorium, Ocean for Kids. B. Water Ocean for Kids. C. Space Ocean for Kids or D. Explore. It's a game basically GK type of question. Answer is A. Explorium Ocean for Kids. This game name is Explorium. Sixth, what do you mean by the term app? It is a small program that is found in your mobile device. B. It is a program that erases other program in a mobile device. Or a C. It is a program that is not found in a smartphone. Or a D. None of these. Answer is A. It is a small program that is found in your mobile device. Next, app stands for dash. Application, applicate, applicant or apply. Answer is A. App stands for application. Next, which of the following is an app? Means an application which is inside the smartphone. A. Angry Bird, B. Smartphone, C. Tablet or D. All of these. Answer is A. As we know, A is an Angry Bird is a game which is an app which can be installed in our mobile phones using Play Store or App Store. Next, wearable computer are the device that can do all the tasks performed by an or a dash. You can wear them on the body. A. Smartphone, B. App, C. Application or D. None of these. Answer is A. Smartphone, because we have now Samsung watches which are like a smartphone through which we can talk. Okay. 10th, which of the following is a wearable computer? Computer which you can wear like a clothes, like you can put on your hands, wrist. Okay. A. Glasses, B. Smartwatch, C. Laptop or D. Both A and B. Answer is D. As we know, A are the Google glasses and B is a smartwatch and they both are wearable computer. You can wear it. But C. Laptop is not a wearable device. 11. Which of the following? Identify the following. It is a watch that you can wear on your wrist. It can perform all the tasks done by smartphone. A. Smartphone, B. Intelligent wrist, C. Smart wrist or D. Smart hand. Answer is very easy, smartwatch. Next, which of the following tasks can be done by a smartwatch? A. Listen to songs, B. Play games, C. Solve sums or D. All of these. Answer is D. All of these. We have a branded Apple smartwatch and Samsung smartwatch. We can do Google smartwatch, which can do all the things. 13th, which of the following is an electronic device that is used to play video game and is known as a video game console? A, B, C or D? Answer is A. A, you know, it's a PlayStation or Xbox. We play PS2, PS5. This is a game box console. Next, in which of the following device you can run app? Smartwatch, smartphone, tablet or all of these? In which you can run the apps? Answer is D, all of these. Okay. Next and last, which of the following is a gaming device? A, B printer, C keyboard or D all of these? It's very easy. Answer is A. As we know, this is a gaming console that it's a remote also, through which we can move our player, which is used by the player to move left and right. It's like a PlayStation. We have Xbox. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel.